Selling your business in the next few years, something just changed. It's a one-liner in February budget worth about R1 million to some of your business owners. SARS raised the capital gains tax exemption for owners over 55 selling their businesses. It moved from 1.8 million to 2.7 million, tax-free. That's 900,000 more in your pocket. Here's what most owners missed. The value cap to even qualified moved too, from 10 million to 15 million. If your business was worth 12 million last year, you didn't qualify. This year you do. This is the biggest change to the exit tax relief since 2012. If you need more info, please speak to your accountant or contact us for a free valuation. Thank you, Alma Lombard.